We all want healthy, glowing skin. But skincare products are often filled with harsh substances and synthetic ingredients. These unnatural ingredients clog, dull, and irritate your skin, and leave it starved of moisture and vitamins. At Better Shea Butter, we make it easy for everyone to have naturally healthy, glowing skin using only pure ingredients rich in nutrients, the way nature intended. Better Shea Butter is a 100% woman-owned, family-run company with a passion and love for what we do. We started with one product, raw, unrefined shea butter, sourced from honest co-ops and suppliers in Ghana. Shea butter can be traced all the way back to Cleopatra, the Queen of Egypt, and has been used for thousands of years. While effective in its own, it can be mixed into a variety of simple homemade skincare combinations, such as essential oils, so you can tailor your skincare product to your exact needs. In fact, we've created a wide variety of do-it-yourself skincare recipes and video tutorials that let you tailor your products the way you want them. You will feel renewed with 100% natural ingredients that are loaded with the nourishment your skin needs to be soft, clear, and healthy. Do the right thing for yourself today. Go to bettersheabutter.com/recipes and download your free DIY skincare ebook. With a variety of simple skincare recipes, this ebook will show you how to replace your expensive, unnatural beauty products with a healthy, effective alternative. From belly butter to stretch mark cream to solutions for eczema, dark spots, acne, dry skin, and much more. We make natural, chemical-free beauty accessible to everyone. Better Shea Butter is a smarter way to beautiful.